What's it called, this mansion, Dad?
Shogbura.
Hello guys, we are here in the Shogbura Shogbura mansion. It's belong to the National Trust. So dito kami mag-explore. Yeah, ito yung the big house. Yeah. So, yeah. See, that's a big mansion, guys. So this is belong to the National Trust, and they have the outbuildings here. Yeah. So, we try natin if we can go inside. Yeah, they're quite outbuilding already. They're quite nice. You see, guys, it's all the properties here is belong to this National Trust. Look at the column. Grabe, sobrang ano. 2, 4, 6, 8 columns. Ano, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Actually, there's 10 columns. Oh, it's open. So, we pop in. Guys. So, guys, nandito na kami sa loob ng big house. So, mag-tour kami dito sa loob. So, ito yung inside. Yeah. Yeah. So, the ceiling, guys. Is it all the frame? So one of the rooms, tingnan nyo guys, look at the ceiling. One of the rooms is like a living room. Yeah, this is the living room. So, lipat tayo next room. Tingnan nyo guys. So, there's another room. So, that's the other rooms. So that's another corridor. Go to the next room. So there's another room. So guys, you can see the ceilings. You see, their ceiling is it's carving. So there's another room. Nice carving, that isn't it? Oh, tingnan nyo guys, this is the view of the house. This is the back entrance to the garden. Yan, tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Saka yung lawn nila guys, very ano siya, very well maintained. Yan, si Daddy George is coming. Ang ganda, no? Ang cone. Nung isang araw, mayroon ganito din. Pero ano siya, yung green color talaga siya. Pero ito naman yellow siya. Only yellow yung ano, yung color. Diba? Very impressive. Say hi, Daddy George. Guys, ito naman yung parang a river, not river. I don't know what's it called. It's a pond, but it's quite big. And look at this. See the view? Or a lake bed or a pond? It's a river? Yeah. So guys, this is the garden. There's another nice garden. This a big house that's belong to the National Trust. Tingnan nyo guys. That's the house. Yeah. It's nice if you go in the middle there. Hear that? Go back. So ito yung view guys. Ang ganda ng mga properties ng National Trust. Oo, they're keep maintain talaga nila yung ano. Mini-maintain talaga nila guys. Para sa mga people. Yan. Marami silang mga outbuilding. Ganda ng ano, ng view. Yan. Well kept talaga sila guys. Study George coming.